Okay, I'm back with another video. This is going to be a tool haul. As you can see, I got another set of the Capri 0 degree offset extra long boxed in wrenches. I've already got the metric set, so this is the standard set. I went ahead and picked them up. I have used the metric set a little bit. I haven't had them that long. They're great. I think, if memory serves me right, I think they're a little bit longer than the snap-on ones, and a little bit thicker. I'll show you what I'm talking about here in a minute. But this is the box that they come in, and I believe somewhere on here it says made in Taiwan. Right there, I don't know if you can see that, made in Taiwan, but that's okay. They're a lot cheaper than snap-on wrenches. So let's open it up. If I can open it without tearing everything up, just rip that, but whatever. And again, the wrench pouch, which is okay. I'm here at the house, I'm not going to use it in the pouch, or keep the wrenches in the pouch. I'll keep them in my toolbox. I got to make room in my standard wrench drawer, but so it is what it is. I'm going to keep these pouches though, so in case I need to go somewhere, I can put them back in it and wrap it up and take them with me, and don't have to have them all loose. Anyway, this is the standard set. Goes 1/4 inch, and I'll show you a close up here in a minute, but it goes 1/4 inch 5/16 on one wrench. That is pretty freaking sweet. I like that. That is awesome. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try to get it a little bit closer where you can see them. Capri. I'll set them all out here, get them all out. And let's move the pouch so it's not in the way. I'll use this, the largest wrench is 5/8 and 3/4. 5/8 on one end, 3/4 on the other. I'll use this one to show you what I was talking about. See, this is, I don't know if you can see that very good. Hopefully it's the right way. Right here in the beam of it, I think that's a little bit thicker than the snap-on wrenches, and also right here is a little thicker than the snap-on wrenches. I don't know if that's going to hinder anything. I don't think it will, but I'm here to tell you, these wrenches, Capri, I'm pretty sure they have a lifetime warranty, and these wrenches are awesome. I am really liking Capri here lately. I haven't known about them for very long, Capri tools, but these are really awesome. I mean, you can't go wrong with a set of these, and they're not that expensive. I'll put in the description. I'll put what they cost. Obviously, I haven't had them long enough to mess them up to try it out the warranty, but I don't think you'd have a problem warrantying one. I don't really know if you would ever break one anyway. I mean, if you use it right. But like I said, these are freaking awesome. I love these wrenches. I wish I'd have known about these a long time ago. I probably wouldn't have spent the money on the snap-on ones. These are, in my opinion, are just as good, even though these are made in Taiwan and not in the USA, but a lot of tools nowadays are made in Taiwan. These seem to be pretty good. I really like them. And one thing I do like about it is at least they don't skip around on the sizes like they do on the metric ones. They go in order on one wrench, which is awesome too. I just wish they would have went up a little bit bigger. I don't know, maybe I don't know if they make them up to 1 inch or not, but that would have been nice, or at least 7/8. But I'm sure I'll get to use these soon, and I'll let you know. I probably won't do another video on how they're holding up. I just might mention it in another video of something else. But yeah, I mean, these things they're perfect. I mean, obviously I haven't used them yet, so they should be perfect right out of the package, right? But yeah, I'll set them out here so you can see them. I'll get the camera and do a close-up of them. These are, I'm telling you, I am really impressed with this, with these Capri tools. I'm going to have to get some more of them. Not these wrenches, but some more of their tools. I'm also going to try some Tecton tools. I found out about them. Heard a lot of negative stuff about Tecton tools, but then I've been starting to hear a lot of positive stuff, so I'm going to order some Tecton stuff and try them out. Okay, I told you I would show you a close-up of these wrenches. So here they are. Now I said they didn't skip around, but I didn't really notice it's 5/8 and 3/4. I don't know why they didn't have a 11/16 and then 3/4 and something else. Maybe, like I said, 3/4 and 7/8 or something, the next size up. But as you can see, they kind of shiny, but you know, that's a good thing, I guess. They are awesome. There you go. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And if you've used these tools, obviously more than I have, let me know down in the comments how they hold up. Again, thanks. See you in the next one.